Hello, everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Tanzania? The average annual gross salary is 1,600 US dollars, or roughly 133 US dollars per month. After tax, the average net salary is 1,424 US dollars, or about 119 US dollars monthly. In Dar es Salaam, cleaners earn more. The annual gross salary there is 2,000 US dollars, about 167 US dollars per month. The net salary is 1,780 US dollars, or roughly 148 US dollars monthly. Experience, qualifications, and the type of workplace can change pay. Hotel, office, and industrial cleaning jobs may also have different salaries. Night shifts and extra duties can lead to higher pay. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.